End game chess puzzle for white to move. Very nice puzzle. Good morning, friends. Now you can see on the screen. Today I am going to show you the easy solution of this end game chess puzzle, where both black had the chance to queen the pawn on d2 and white has also the chance to queen its pawn on e7. So what is the situation here? The first move is of white move. So what will happen if white will promote to queen? Next move black will also queen and the chance will be draw. Yes, draw. So see, first I show you. If it queens, next black will also queen. Now on the next move, white can not give check from any square. Check is not possible. So what will happen? Simply now white comes in the defending mode, and once white comes in defending mode, definitely black will give check from here. If it takes, it can also take like this. And in this situation you can see clearly black is better than white. So this puzzle is for white to move and either win or draw. So I am going to show you the exact solution of this puzzle. So keep watching and see exactly what happens. These variations you don't have to play. You have to play the exact move, just like a grandmasters. How grandmaster think and they play. So let us see. Let us see from the starting. The correct way of play is, in place of taking queen, white will take knight and black king will jump to e4. Now next move white will go to c7 so that it can give check from b5. Now definitely black comes in situation of trouble, and if its mind is puzzled and it moves to c4 pawn, definitely blunder. Now white will give checkmate from e6. Yes friends, so definitely I want to show you here in this puzzle solution that in this end game situation black is more serious, black is more in trouble, white can easily play. So definitely if they have less time, white will win this game on time basis. But if they have sufficient time, then the situation is draw. So how draw? You see here, black will move to these squares and repeatedly knight will give the check, sometimes from b5 and sometimes from d6. So d6, b5, knight will jump like this and king will move to c4, d4, and if this is thrice happens, they can claim for draw, or if it is repeated 5 times, arbiter will come to you and he will declare the game as draw. So hope you all will like this video, and if you are first time on our channel, please subscribe our this channel, and if you have any doubt, please talk to me. I am Prabhunath Shah, national chess instructor, and you can clear your doubt. You can play chess with me on lichess.org. My ID is Prabhunath Shah. So no problem. I always welcome the chess players from my inner heart. Thank you for watching this video. And this is very nice puzzle. I liked it. Hope you all will also like it. Thank you.